In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use approval in deals. Deal approvals are helpful when you want certain opportunities to be reviewed before they move forward in your pipeline. This is especially useful for higher value deals, discounts, special terms, or any stage where you need a manager or a specific team to sign off. In just a moment, you will set a pipeline rule that requires approval at a stage you choose, and you will assign the people who can approve it. Start by opening your account settings. Look for the settings icon, usually found near the top of your screen in the main navigation. Click that icon to enter the settings area, where you can manage objects, pipelines, and rules. Next, go to Objects. In this section, you will see different record types your system uses. Go to Contacts and then find and click Deals. Even though you are starting from the Objects area, the goal is to reach the deal pipeline controls, since approvals are configured at the pipeline level. Once you are in Deals, locate and click the Pipelines tab. This is where your deal stages and pipeline behavior are managed. Take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct pipeline if your account has more than one, because rules apply to the pipeline you configure. Now click Pipeline Rules. This section controls automation and guardrails for how deals move through stages. It is the right place to enforce process consistency, like requiring approvals. From here, click Add Rule, then choose Require Deal Approval. This creates a new approval requirement that you can tailor to your workflow. You will then be asked to select your deal stage and your approvers. Choose the stage where approval should be required. This should be the point in your process where the deal should pause until someone reviews it. Then select the approvers, meaning the users who are allowed to review and approve the deal at that stage. Make sure you choose people who are available and responsible for that type of decision, so deals do not get stuck waiting. Finally, click Save. After saving, the rule is active, and deals reaching that stage will follow the approval requirement you set. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.